Good morning. I have a little Clemente Figuera circuit running with two positive only biased waves, 180 degrees out of phase, going into the two triplets. There is a core in there, but it doesn't go all the way through. That's for another video. Now here's my anomaly that I have happening. Here's my scope of my output. Okay, I have my scope 1 hooked up on one output, scope 2 hooked up on the second output. So the outputs are isolated currently, okay? Really doesn't matter. On the scope, here's my two sine waves, outputs, open circuit, okay? I'm putting in 200 hertz on two different phases, and only one leg is connected. The grounds of the electromagnets tied together, like the Clemente, go through my multimeter and to the ground of the supply. Okay, so first thing I want to show, let me see what color. Okay, I'm going to short the blue, right? Watch what happens to the yellow. Goes up. Look at the numbers. Okay, shorted, we're at 581 peak to peak. We'll let it go. 480. So we get an extra volt by shorting one. Now I'm going to short the other one. Same thing. Okay. So shorting it puts more power through to the other output when you take one. Second interesting, which I think is very interesting because the patent shows something weird, which I'm working on. Anyway, input current is 850 milliamps. Okay, 853, 850. Okay, now as I said, this multimeter is measuring direct current coming out of the electromagnets going into the ground. Almost 1.6 amps, 1.588 amps going through this wire. Now this isn't the output, and if I short this stays the same. So we have a lot of amperage going through the ground cable, which is almost double that of the input supply. So that's what I wanted to show. Join the forum in the description as I continue my research to figure out more about this. 1.5 amps direct current through these grounds, going back into the ground when I'm only putting in 850 milliamps in. Can this be tapped? Can I put a transformer in between here? Because when you take load from the transformer, the resistance of the primary goes down and harvests this energy. A lot of questions.